A couple of lots still sit empty in the Cedar Crest neighborhood. A Habitat house goes up across the street. Other brand new houses stand out in a subdivision built in the 70s.
You have a beautiful place.
Yes, we do. We love it. We did a lot of upgrading with the tornado.
Jessica Culp's split-level home looks almost new. Most of the exterior is. The tornado ripped a hole in the ceiling. Rain poured in, causing major interior damage.
We ended up having a crack come all the way down, and the ceiling was kind of droopy. And then there's cracks. And then this is where the ceiling dropped in.
Jessica's family lived in a hotel for 2.5 months, but she calls $60,000 in property damage and losses a blessing in disguise when she looks at her completely remodeled home.
A lot this last week we've been thinking about that, how we've came so far since the tornado, and with the neighborhood getting back in order and feeling like home.
Jessica's house also suffered $2,000 in damage from a 2013 tornado.
A lot of our friends have said, if you guys get hit by another one, we're just going to pack you up and we'll just try another location. But
why'd you stay?
We love this neighborhood. I brought both of my baby boys home in this house. I have a lot of memories. I bought this house when I was 19. You having fun?
Jessica is 28 now, a mother of 2 boys.
You want higher? Yeah. Whee!
Back in the swing of things, a year after disaster. I'm Rich Knight, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.
Every neighborhood, every home, every family hit by this tornado has a story to tell. Coming up at 6 o'clock, Scott and Andrea, we're going to look at some individual houses, then and now. What happened to those houses and the people living inside them?
They certainly have a spirit of resiliency there in Kokomo. Rich, thanks so much. We'll see you then.
Well, August 24th of 2016 was one of the biggest tornado outbreaks on record for that month. 22 tornadoes between Indiana and Ohio. 2 were the massive EF3 twisters, including the one in Kokomo. 20 people were injured, but thankfully no one was killed.
And we continue to work on more stories of recovery in Kokomo for 5:30 and 6 o'clock tonight. Remember this man, Angel? Well, he was the Starbucks worker who rushed customers and even employees into a bathroom for safety when that tornado came crashing down. The coffee shop was destroyed. Angel is no longer working there, but he's still in Kokomo. Tonight at 6 o'clock, we will tell you what he's doing now and how his life has changed in the last year.